Are you thinking about undertaking a residential property development project but have concerns around affordability and risk? Well, stick around because in this video, I'm going to break down why getting into property development with a friend can be a great idea. Let's get into it. Hey guys, Peter Kelly here from Little Fish Property Developments, helping you maximize the value of your land and generate wealth through low-risk residential development projects. We share everything you need to deliver successful projects time and time again. So if you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn the bell notifications on so you don't miss a thing. Partnering with a friend on your property development is a great way to get your foot in the door and minimize the risk, particularly if you cannot move forward without the confidence on your own. Here are 5 reasons you should consider partnering with a friend on your next property development project. Number 1 is you want a partner from the outset. It will always be best to partner from the very beginning. If you buy the property together from the outset, develop it together, and then own one each, this is the only way to get the maximum benefit. The key is to purchase the property together to avoid additional stamp duty. So get organized, find your friend, because it's a good idea to undertake the development together right from the outset. For number 2, we are talking about petition agreements. Your solicitor will organize a petition agreement for you. Technically speaking, it is essentially a division of concurrent interests in the land. This has been a way for us in the past here at Little Fish. We've been able to get clients to end up with a property each at subdivision stage without incurring any further stamp duty. In essence, it's an agreement put in place from the outset where both parties are documented on the original purchase and have agreed to develop the property and end up with one dwelling each, ultimately incurring no extra stamp duty. As always, be sure to seek legal advice on these things. I'm just sharing my experience. Always talk to the relevant professional consultants. The third reason why property development with a friend can be a great idea is that you can design your own half independently. This is the exciting part of it. Each friend gets to design their dwelling within the rules and regulations of town planning and building code. It's an exciting part where you get to put your touch on things, select your color palette, your materials, and work on your own floor plans. We've found that clients really appreciate this freedom and flexibility, particularly being able to impact the overall design and floor plan layout and functionality independently. The fourth reason is a big one. Minimize your risk. Teaming up with another party is a great way to get your foot in the door without assuming all the risk yourself. It will also give you more serviceability throughout the different entities and most likely more capital to work with. Property development is a high stakes game and it can be a significant financial commitment to get the project off the ground. So this is a way to minimize the risk that you take on, giving you a fantastic opportunity to enjoy the ride and gain some experience as a property developer. Number 5 is rinse and repeat. Once you've run the complete process with your partner, and it's been a great success, the idea would be to roll into another project together, maybe eventually even a couple in parallel in the future. We work with many friends, families that partner up, and we here at Little Fish have witnessed firsthand how beneficial this can be for inexperienced developers. I can assure you that it is no fun living on the breadline because you've overcommitted on a project. There's nothing worse. As you start knocking over the projects, we've seen our clients move into suburbs that they may not have ever thought that they can get into. It's a great way to build your capital. That's it, guys. That's a wrap. Hopefully you're getting a ton of value from these training videos. We love making them. So if you have any questions or topics that you'd like us to tackle, drop them in the comments box below. And of course, if you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button. Make sure you turn the bell notifications on so you don't get left behind. I'm Peter Kelly. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy developing.